Hello everyone, my name is Pamela Alejandra Hernandez Hernandez and we are going to start with the presentation. Welcome to this episode. We talking about three very important skills that help improve our comprehension when we read, study, or simply listen to someone. These skills are understanding lexical units, understanding combinations of words and sentences, identifying what is essential and what is the secondary within a message. First, we will talk about lexical units. This may sound complicated, but actually refers to something very simple: words. The more words we know and understand, the easier it is to comprehend what we read and to express ourselves clearly. Everything starts with knowing the basic meaning of the words. Characteristics of lexical units. Lexical units are the words we use to communicate. Understanding then means knowing what each word means on its own. It also involves recognizing that one word may have a different meaning depending on the context. Understanding words will help us better interpret what we read or hear. The more words we know, the easier it is to express ideas and understand others. Introduction to the words combinations and sentences. Of course, words do not work alone. They come together and from more complete paraphrase. That is why the next point is understanding combination of words and sentences. This refers to our understanding how words come together and create a meaningful ideas. Like, for example, make a decision, like a word is make a decision or do exercise. Characteristics of word combinations and sentences. It is not enough to know slowed words. We must understand how they join to form a meaningful paraphrases or sentence. Some words always work together or sounds better together. Understanding these combinations helps to capture the real meaning of the sentence beyond each individual word. It also allows us to recognize the speaker's intention, informing, asking, explaining, and ordering. Understanding complete sentences help us to identify the meaning of the message. Now, let's move on the third skills. Distinguish what is important from what is accessory. In any sentence or explanation, there is always a main idea and several secondary details. The essential information is the heart of the message, what the sentences or text really means. Secondary information consists of extra details that helps clarify but do not change the main meaning. Characteristics of these third skills. In a sentences, a complete statement, they are main ideas and secondary details. The essential idea is what the sentence truly intends to communicate. Secondary ideas are additional details that help with understanding but do not change the central message. Knowing how to discuss this allows us to understand fast and avoid confusions for unnecessary information. This skill is useful for studying, reading long text, and listening to explanations. In conclusion, as we can see, these three skills complete each other and help us communicating and learn more clearly. Thank you for listening in this episode. See you the next time. Bye.